right, you guys, I actually just got done filming another video for y'all. It's probably gonna take me a while to edit because it's one of those like real versus fake scam kind of videos where I did a little detective work, but usually those take longer for me to edit because I have to like do all the screen recording, screen grabbing stuff. So I thought I would just film another video with you guys really quick because I got an amazing package in the mail from KidRobot. And so I thought it would be like part haul, part unboxing, 100% fun. Let's get into this magical unboxing, and I have to open this first because I'm so excited. You guys, I love Yummy World, and I particularly love Yummy World plushies, especially these larger ones that are like pillow size. Well, you know what? Actually, my favorite one of all time is the Yummy World Lunchables one that comes with the little cheeses. You guys, those cheeses are legitimately some of my favorite and most calming plushies. Like, they are so soft and almost like stretchy and squishy in a way that is like hard to describe. But I'm kind of thinking that this guy is gonna be a little bit similar to that. It is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So I think we're about to open him up. Oh, I have to cut the little tag, or there's like a little plastic thing holding him together. But I think that the peanut butter and the jelly has a face, and I think it is removable. Oh my gosh. I was wondering, is the peanut butter going to be like the cheese, but just larger? It all like Velcros together. I have to cut it open on the other side too. So let me do that now. I'm trying to be like super careful and not actually cut the plush because oh my gosh. So yeah, the Velcro, so satisfying. So here is our peanut butter. Okay, so this actually does not come apart. He just Velcros in there, but see, this is actually like, it's actually, they are one. They are together forever. So the face toast is the peanut butter side, but like still so soft. Like this could just be like a nice little cushion. Like honestly, what I'm probably gonna use this guy for, like I always love to edit in bed on my laptop, and I put the laptop on my lap, and a lot of times it gets really hot. And so I thought, you know, I don't know, I just, I'm justifying this. So, and then here is the grape jelly side, and so cute. So metallic. I mean, what I'm trying to say is like, I just feel like all of these Yummy World things pretty much are like cute but functional. All right, up next, you guys know how much I love Andy Warhol, and they actually sent not only this plush banana, but also one of the KidRobot items that I've wanted forever is this banana, but as bookends. And so I'm gonna have to show you guys. They're in the other room right now because they're really heavy. Like they're super, super high quality. So this is just a cute little banana plush, which I feel like this is always gonna be one of my favorite Andy Warhol pieces because it reminds me not only of Andy Warhol, but also one of my all-time favorite bands, the Velvet Underground. This was like, they used it on like their album art a lot. So yeah, banana bookends, so luxurious, really hefty, and I feel like it's just gonna look amazing on our bookshelves. I absolutely love them. They are definitely one of the more like high dollar items on KidRobot because they are super limited edition, I think. And you know, they are just very, you know, it's like furniture. So we have a couple more little plushies, and then we have, I think, 4 vinyl figures to unbox. So look at this little guy. He's Yummy World, and he is a plush snow cone keychain. Oh, look, this is a Yummy World Carnival food series. Ah, that would be so cute. I hope that they do minifigures. Oh, these are some of the minifigures that I think we've seen already, though. I think we already have gotten the popcorn, the pretzel, maybe the lollipop, definitely the lemonade, but I don't think there's ever been like a keychain or a minifigure of a pickle or this little, did I keep calling him a snow cone? I think he's cotton candy. I don't think we've seen either of those ever in one of the like unboxing series that we've done. Up next is one of my favorite ones though, from I think the keychain series, it's the bacon. And I don't remember what his name is, but he is so cute. Little strip of bacon. So he has a different hang tag because I was like, wait, I don't know if bacon can be called a carnival food. That would be interesting. Although I feel like they do sell a lot of like bacon wrapped such and such. And then lastly, yeah, whoa, this one is like so different. See, I love that too. That is like, once again, this guy is a lot like the crackers in the Yummy World Lunchable set. I keep talking about that one, but the crackers actually have this crinkly plastic inside of them as well. So if you bend them, they kind of make a crumbly cracker noise. So I think that that is so cute to have in the pickle as well, because, you know, pickle, it's crunchy. You guys, I literally just miss going to a movie theater and getting the giant crunchy pickles. All right, and last but certainly not least, let me know if any of these next figures we're about to unbox, if you guys would like for me to get an entire case of them. Today is going to be a little bit of a variety show. I think they wanted to just send me like a really awesome sampling of a bunch of new like minifigures that are out there. So the very first one that I'm gonna unbox is the Adventure Time one. So there are a lot of different options here, and I'm honestly hoping for Peppermint Butler. I saw a picture of what he looks like online, and he looks like he would be so cute. But honestly, Dogman and I really both love BMO a lot, so that would be really fun. Oh my god, and Lumpy Space Princess. So tons of good options in here, and there are 18 different ones to collect. I don't see that there is a secret one, but it looks like the most rare ones are 1 out of 96, these two, which is one of those supposed to be the Lich? What does the Lich look like? I forgot. It's been a long time since I've watched Adventure Time. I feel like I used to watch that show religiously, but I don't think they don't make any new episodes, do they? All right, you guys. You guys, let's see which one we're gonna get. Who do you think it is? Somebody take a guess. Who is it? Oh my god, what is his name? Y'all, fake fan. I remember this guy. Help me. Oh, this is the Ice King before he goes crazy, right? But he has a different name, and I cannot remember what his name is. 2 out of every 24, so he is one of the more common options. And there we go. All right, up next, I was so excited to see that they came out with these. They are Gudetama plush charms. So it looks like, I don't see how many there are to collect, but it's basically Gudetama in a bunch of different Sanrio character costumes. So, oh my gosh, they are all so cute. I honestly hope we get one that looks like Gudetama. I honestly probably hope for Kuromi. I don't know who the mystery one is, or who it would be. Mystery out of mystery. So that sounds really, really rare. Most of them are 3 out of every 24 or 2 out of every 24. I don't see anybody more rare than that. So let's open it up. Also, I do like this kind of clear packaging. I feel like it's really fun to see the secret inside. But you guys remember like a month or so ago, we did the Hello Kitty Olympic ones where it was like a clear box, but you could already see which figure you were gonna get inside. And I honestly just did not like that experience as much, because this is like what really made me start collecting like minifigures and vinyl figures to begin with. Is I love the little miniature surprises. I almost said miniature supplies. I love the little like miniature mystery. You know, you never know what you're gonna get, and that is like the fun of collecting these, at least from my point of view. Oh, we got Tuxedo Sam. Oh my gosh. So funny. So it's like Tuxedo Sam shoved on top of Gudetama, and he has his little sailor hat. So it's definitely supposed to be like Gudetama is wearing the mascot head of Tuxedo Sam. So cute. I think he was one of the more common ones. He is, yeah, 3 out of every 24. So definitely one of the more common options. All right, up next is a series that I think that we did a complete unboxing for several years ago. This is one that I really like. They're called BFFs, and it looks like, yeah, this is series 5. So I know we haven't done like all 4 previous series, but you guys let me know, because now I'm almost scared that this is one of those videos that I filmed and then just never edited or uploaded. So basically what these are is 2 things that are supposed to be BFFs that like should not go together. You know what I mean? Like, or I guess they should go together, but like here's a good example, right? Is like fire and a log. Like fire is inherently destructive to a log, so it's just kind of funny that they go together. But a lot of things do go together. There's like bacon with a frying pan, toast and avocado. It looks like we have a hot dog and mustard, but then there's these ones where it's like a boombox and a baseball bat. So like those 2 things do not go together. Like a laptop and coffee. Oh my gosh, I hope we get this one. It's like a box, like a paper box, and a box cutter. So you guys see, hopefully y'all can see like more closely the pictures in case you want to pause and see any of the options. They usually also like fit together, so when you display them, the pieces like actually interlock. Like recently we've seen a lot of the Pop Marts with stands or little props and stuff, and they fit together so nicely. So let's see who we're gonna get. I don't see like a super secret chase, but a lot of them do look like 1 out of every 24. Some are 3 out of every 24. So who are we gonna get? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cut this open. I'm definitely gonna save this for my junk journal. Look at the specialty foil packaging. I love this. I honestly love that so much. I feel like KidRobot is a brand that you see that with a lot, where they will make a lot of the foils actually special for, you know, each different series that they do. They don't always do it, because I mean we've seen a lot of them today that are just the KidRobot ones, but like Yummy World has like the clouds and stuff, and I don't know that I cut this open all the way. Can we open it? Oh my gosh, yay! Okay, this is the one that I was really hoping that we would get, because, you know, it just goes so well with all the unboxing videos that I do on YouTube. So let's see. Oh, there's like a little collector's card in this one as well. So their names are Mirko and Blade. Do you guys get the reference of Mirko for the box name? I don't know. A lot of these like have cute names, like the avocado and toast is like Bill and Ted. And then the log is like Frank and Loggins. Yeah, so do you get the reference? I don't, unfortunately, but look at how adorable he is. Like the box actually looks like it is corrugated. And what does it say? It's got the little notch in it at the top for our little box cutter. And there he is. He looks so cute. So happy. And I actually have an orange and black box cutter like this, and I love it. So I'm trying to see which way he fits in there, because I'm sure it's just only one way. There we go. So that one is so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. So far my favorite that we've unboxed today. All right, one last one, and I'm so excited to see these. It's a brand new KidRobot Hello Kitty collection. We have more Hello Kitty minifigures, and they actually have 2 collections. This reminds me a lot, once again, of the Hello Kitty Olympic ones we just saw, where they had the minifigure version and also a keychain that for the most part correlated to like the same minifigure figures. You know what I'm saying? Like we had a full-size minifigure Hello Kitty swimmer. And then we had a keychain where it was just like the Hello Kitty swimmer head keychain where she had like swimming goggles on. Does that make any sense? Anyway, these looked so cute, so out there. So it's called Hello Kitty Time to Shine. And it says join Hello Kitty on stage and collect them all. It says Hello Kitty dresses up for her moment in the spotlight in her favorite costumes. So a lot of them are, you know, once again, we have Agretsuko, and that might be the only other actual Sanrio character option that there is. But oh my gosh, I'm obviously really hoping for the alien or the clown. I think the clown is on this side of the box as well. The pirate one, oh my gosh, also so cute. So those are the different options. There's one chase one that is 1 out of every 48. Oh my gosh, steampunk, sci-fi, zombie. So most of the other ones are 1 out of 24. There are some that are 3 out of 24. Ooh, and there is a super chase on this side of the box that is question mark out of question mark. So let's open it up and see which one we're gonna get. And you guys, I've got to clean up this room today. I feel like I've been filming so many videos in here lately and I have not stopped to clean up after I've been filming the videos. So let's see. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys, we got so lucky again. This is definitely the one I wanted the most. It is Alien Hello Kitty. She looks so cool, so weird. Oh my gosh. I love it. Okay, let's see. What was her rareness? 2 out of 24. So kind of one of the more common options if you want to get that one yourself. And I don't remember if I told you guys, this one was 3 out of every 24. So as usual, I would love to know you guys' thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Do y'all collect any of these, like the Yummy World or like the Hello Kitty Sanrio series items? Once again, would you like for me to get any more of these and do like a complete set unboxing? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!